get ready with us to go for an appointment. Welcome back again, guys. So my kids have an appointment today, a very important appointment, you guys. So I'm taking them to the appointment, and yeah, I was getting ready. Yeah, just trying to spray my body with my mist, and my body's my spray. So after that, I was wearing my dress, wearing this dress. I got it from SHEIN. Yeah, so I was trying to wear the dress. You guys, I'll just leave you to watch the video of everything I'm putting on to this important appointment. Yes, guys. I just received my second order from the SHEIN promotion that is going on, which is the buy one get four for free. This is my second time getting the order. Yeah, so I post the first one that I received, and I post the things I received there, and people were asking me how did I do it. Anyway, I'm here in this video. I just had to wait to receive my second order, although I'm still expecting more order from my order is on the way, so I'm still expecting more. This promotion, I'm not going to let it pass by. I go use them anyhow. The things I received, This is my 5 item I received this time around. It's 5 items, yeah. So it's just one of them that you are going to pay for. You see it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it depends on what you select. This is what I select. I personally select this, yeah. So anything you select, they are going to bring it for you, and you are going to pay for just one item among the 5 items. So people ask me how did I do it in the comment section. I was not like, I don't just have the energy to be typing, to be telling you guys, see how you can do it, see how you can do it. I decided to, you know, wait for me to receive the other ones, then I'll just make the video together of how you can get your free item on SHEIN. People are getting 10 items, like 10 items where they talk big item, vacuum, like things that are expensive, guys, things worth 1,000 something euro for free. People are getting it on SHEIN because that's the promotion that's going on right now. It depends on what to select. That's what they are going to bring for you. And how you will get this your free item is, you have been using SHEIN before, you just delete it out of your phone, then create a new email, like different from the one you have been using to order. Yes, that is what you do. Create a new email. When you create a new email, then download the SHEIN back on your phone again. Use the new email you created to, you know, to sign into SHEIN. It's like you are starting from afresh, like you are signing in as a new person to SHEIN, and then use this code you are seeing on my screen. This code is going to be valid for just 24 hours. If it has passed 24 hours that you are seeing this post, this code you are seeing on the screen is not going to work again. So you need to look for another code. So how you look for another code on your SHEIN is you go to your SHEIN. There is one place they will tell you to shake tree to get free items. Then you just you pick the items you want to shake trees. Then they are going to tell you to share your link. Then you take your reference code from there. Then you open new Google, you open new Gmail. Yeah, when you open new Gmail, then you can use that your code to get your items. I don't know if somebody is understanding me, but if it has not passed 24 hours that you are seeing this post and you want to use that code, please use the code you are seeing on the screen. This code is valid for just 24 hours. If you don't pass 24 hours when you see this video, this code is not going to work again. So use the code you are seeing on the screen now and get your buy one get 4 for free, just like this. So this is what I got this time around. This is what I selected. This shoe is for my baby boy Angel, so I selected the shoe for him, and this is a size 26. Yeah. Wow, see, it's this kind of shoe that, you know, when he's walking it will be bringing out slides. Yeah, I got this one is not for public consumption. I got this. These are the 5. These things are free things that I got. You know, these tights, you know, these leggings. I got the leggings, are free. And I got this small vacuum. I got it personally for my couch, yeah, to be cleaning my couch. These are my item I got for free, and this is the particular one I paid for this time around. This is the one I paid for. Yeah, it's a short gown. So you guys, I hope you understand how I explain it. Just delete SHEIN from your phone, install it again, open a new Gmail, then use your new Gmail to log in, enter this code you are seeing on my screen right now, and get your 4 free items and pay for just 1. Okay, see you all in my next video. I'm still going to do more video when I receive the other items. Guys, we are going out. I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.